Hello and welcome to the most awaited FTR 3.0 by competition community, especially for English medium aspirants. My name is Pukhraj Giri, and in this FTR session, I'll be dealing with Chhattisgarh General Studies, wherein this is actually the part 3 of art and culture. And let me tell you, I have selected topics like folk songs and folk theatres. But before starting with the questions, there is an important announcement for you people that we at competition community, we are organizing weekly tests wherein the test will be held on every Sunday at 11 a.m. And what you people have to do, you people actually have to enroll yourselves by Friday evening so that you people are able to write the test that will be held on Sunday. So this was all about the announcement. And let us move to the questions now. Here we have our first question. And in the first question, what we have to do, we have to actually match the columns wherein we have tribes in one column and we have tribal theatre in the other column. So some of the important tribal theatres of Chhattisgarh are Mao Pata. And let me tell you, this Mao Pata is actually performed by the Mudia tribe, and the hunting of bison and sambar is actually personified in this Mao Pata. Second, we have Kham Swang by the Korkus. That means the Korku tribe. And let me tell you about this Kham Swang. In this Kham Swang, actually a Meghnath pillar is erected. And this Korku tribe actually think that Meghnath is their savior. Then we have Bhatranath, which is actually performed by the Bhatra tribe. This Bhatranath is actually based upon the mythological stories, and this Bhatranath is also known as tribal theatre of Bastar. And finally we have Dahi Kando, which is actually based upon Krishna Leela, and it is actually performed by many tribes of Chhattisgarh. So we have seen Mao Pata by Mudias, Kham Swang by Korkus, Bhatranath by Bhatra tribe, and Dahi Kando by many tribes. Now if we actually match the columns, this Bhatra can be matched with Bhatranath, Korkus can be matched with Kham Swang, and Mudias can be matched with Mao Pata. So in forming pairs, we have A3, B1 and C2. Now looking at the options, in the option number A itself, we have this A3, B1, C2, and hence this option A is going to be the correct option for this question number 1. Now next we have a second question. Which of the following folk theatre is known as the tribal theatre of Bastar? So in the explanation part of the question number 1 only, I have told you that this Bhatranath is actually known as the tribal theatre of Bastar. And regarding this Bhatranath, let me tell you a couple of points, that it is based upon mythological stories, wherein it is actually performed by a mandali consisting of 20 to 40 people. And the artists who actually perform this Bhatranath are known as Nathkuria. Now since this Bhatranath actually has essence of Odia language in it, hence it is also known as Odia Nath. So these are some of the points which you actually have to remember about this Bhatranath, which is mentioned in the option C and which is also the correct option for this question number 2. Let me also tell you, it was in CGPSC 2018 when the question related to this Bhatranath was actually asked. So next we have a third question. In the third question, what we have to do, we have to actually match the columns wherein in the one column we have cultural institutions and in the second column we have their founders. In the institutions we have Raveli Nacha Party, we have Chandaini Gonda, we have Sonaha Bihan, and we have Bastar Band. In the founders section we have Dau Mahasingh Chandrakar, then we have Anup Ranjan Pandey, next we have Dau Dular Singh Mandraji, who is also known as the Bhishma Pitama of Nacha or Nacha ke Bhishma Pitama. Then we have Dau Ramchandra Deshmukh, who is known to be the savior of folk art of Chhattisgarh. छत्तीसगढ़ लोक कला के उद्धारक कहते हैं इन्हें. So, regarding this Raveli Nacha Party, let me tell you, it was actually established by Dau Dular Singh Mandraji. In the year 1971, this Chandaini Gonda was actually established by Dau Ramchandra Deshmukh. This Sonaha Bihan was actually established by Dau Mahasingh Chandrakar, and finally Bastar Band was established by Anup Ranjan Pandey. So these cultural institutions, they not only aimed at promoting but also at showcasing the local culture of Chhattisgarh. So when forming pairs, we actually have A3, then we have B4, then we have C1, and we have D2. Now matching this with the options that we have. In the option C itself, we have A3, B4, C1 and D2. And hence, this option C is going to be the correct option for our question number 3. So this was all about the third question. Now next we have our fourth question, and it says consider the following statements related to Nacha. So first of all, in the statement number 1, we have it is based on mythological stories. So let me tell you, the aim of this Nacha is not only entertainment, but to also show the right path in life. And for this purpose, you can understand now that it will not be based upon mythological stories. Now, the second statement says it is organized for more than one night simultaneously. No, it is not organized for more than one night simultaneously. And in the third statement, it is said that satire is its main theme. So, let me actually tell you, in showing the right path in life, it actually uses humor and satire simultaneously, wherein all the negative things or the small negative things are actually presented via this Nacha in form of satire using humor. And some of the plots actually include pati patni ka jhagda, saas bahu ka jhagda, etc. So you can now understand that this third statement is actually going to be correct, that yes, Nacha actually uses both humor and satire. Now what we have to do, we have to actually choose the correct statements, and we have seen only statement number 3 is correct, and hence this option A is going to be the correct option for this question number 4. So this was all about the fourth question. Now next we have our fifth question. In the fifth question, it is said Beda is related to. So let me tell you a couple of things about Rahas. So Rahas is basically a folk theatre of Chhattisgarh which is actually related to Shri Krishna Leela. It is actually performed by a Mandli, and the head of this Mandli is known as Vyas. And there are actually two types of Rahas. First is Savarn and second is Satnami Rahas. Now, if the Vyas is a learned person of the Brahmin community, then the Rahas is known as Savarna Rahas. And if he is from the any other community, then the Rahas is actually known as Satnami Rahas. And the place at which this Rahas is actually organized is known as Rahas Beda. So the place at which Rahas is organized is known as Rahas Beda. Now coming back to the question, now we know that Beda is actually related to Rahas, which is mentioned in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for this question number 5. So this was all about the 5th question. Now we have a 6th question. In this 6th question, we have to actually match the columns in which on the one side we have folk songs and in the other column we actually have the occasion. In the folk songs, we have Cherta, we have Rilo, we have Ghotul Pata, and we have Dhankul. So let me tell you about this Cherta song. So this Cherta song is generally sung on the occasion of Chirchira in the Posh Purnima. And this song is actually sung to mark the arrival of new harvest. About this Rilo song, this actually is a song generally sung by the Mudia tribe during the marriage ceremony. Ghotul Pata is once again sung by the Mudia tribe but at the time of death. And in this Ghotul Pata, tale of King Jolong Sai is actually sung. And in the occasion of Jagar, which can actually be said as the cultural awakening, this Dhankul song is actually sung by the tribals of the Bastar division. So in forming pairs, now we have A1, B2, C3 and D4. Now matching this with the options, in the option C itself we have A1, B2, C3 and D4, and hence this option C is going to be the correct option for our question number 6. So this was all about the 6th question. Now we have a 7th question. Consider the following statements. First statement says Biram Geet is sung by the Dewar community. Yes, Biram Geet is actually sung by the women of the Dewar community. Second statement says Mandar and Jhanj are the main music instruments in the Suagit. So let me tell you, in the Suagit, no musical instruments are actually used. In fact, clapping is only done in case of Suagit. And even sometimes you can see the use of 2 small wooden blocks to produce sound in Suagit. However, in no case Mandhar and Jhanj are used in the Suagit. And hence this statement too is going to be incorrect. Now, third statement says Sadhauri is a lullaby. Lullaby means lori. So Sadhauri is basically a ceremonial song which is actually sung before the birth. So in no case it can be a lullaby or lori. Hence this statement 3 is also going to be incorrect. So we have to actually choose the statements which are correct, and we have seen only statement 1 is correct. So in the option A we have this one, and hence this option A is going to be the correct option for our question number 7. Next we have our 8th question. In the 8th question we have Dadariya is a song which is sung on the occasion of marriage ceremony, birth ceremony, death ceremony, and the last option is any occasion. So regarding Dadariya, let me tell you, it is basically known as love song of Chhattisgarh. And this is in the pattern of 2-liner questions and answers. I'll give you an example. Phutaha mandir ma kalas to nahi hai, do din ke avaiya daras to nahi hai. So this is basically an example of how this 2-liner questions and answers are framed. So this is a love song, and there is no such occasion which is actually related to the singing of Dadariya. It can be sung in any occasion, which is actually mentioned in the option D, and hence this option D is going to be the correct option for this question number 8. So this was all about the 8th question. Next we have a 9th question. And this question says Bhadauni song is sung on the occasion of death ceremony. This statement is incorrect because this song is actually sung during the marriage ceremony. Second statement says Dhankul song is famous in Sarguja district. So, couple of questions back, I already told you this Dhankul song is sung in the occasion of Jagar by the tribals, famously in the Bastar division. Hence, this statement too is going to be incorrect. Third statement says that Bhojli is a love song. So, we have seen actually Dadariya is a love song and Bhojli is a devotional song. So, this statement 3 is going to be incorrect once again. And in the fourth statement, it says Pandwani is based on Srimad Bhagavath. So, let me tell you, Pandwani is basically based upon the Mahabharat, composed in Doha and Chaupal form by Sabal Singh Chauhan and not Srimad Bhagavath. Hence, this statement 4 is also going to be incorrect. And what we have to do, we have to actually choose the correct statements. So, we actually know now that none of these statements are actually correct in this case, and this is mentioned in option D. So, in this manner, option D is going to be the correct option for this 9th question. Now, finally, we have a 10th and the last question, and it says, Tale of King Jolong Sai is sung in which song? So, we have actually seen that it is sung in the song Ghotul Pata, which is sung during the death ceremony by the Muria tribe of Chhattisgarh. So, option number C, Ghotul Pata, is going to be the correct option for this question number 10. So, these were 10 some of the most important and conceptual questions from the topic folk song and folk theatre of Chhattisgarh. I'll be back in my next video with the part 4 of the art and culture of Chhattisgarh. So I hope you people would have liked my video, and I shall meet you people in my coming videos. Tab tak ke liye thank you and take care.
CGPSC की संपूर्ण तैयारी के लिए कंपटीशन कम्युनिटी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डेली अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।